Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm a mom and a yoga teacher. Since having Leonard almost 3 years ago, I've noticed experiences of elevated kapha. I have bouts of sadness, heaviness, and feeling stuck. I don't have the motivation to keep up with Leonard, and I think, why can't I keep going? Keeping a stable structure to the day, but mixing up activities adds variety and makes things exciting. I often go straight to the yoga studio in the morning and feel energized after a challenging hour-and-a-half class. Getting out of the house first thing helps get kapha moving. Then Ben meets me at the studio with Leonard, and I'm pushed into the day. We check in and figure out what to do. Most often, we go to the playground, the library, the beach, parks, or visit family. Something different every day. Lots of little things help me lighten up when I begin to feel dull and slow. Dry brushing my body and a self-massage with kapha massage oil is invigorating. I do that a couple of times a week. Trying a new meditation feels expansive and can break me from a rut. Actually, trying new things in general. I went to a drum circle for the first time recently. Food and herbs play a big role in keeping kapha uplifted. I cook more fresh vegetables and put them in soups with ginger and lemon. Adding spice and heat to dishes brings warmth. I love turmeric for that. 2 healthy kapha tablets in the morning help keep me balanced.